Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my Take It review. Now I'm here inside of the members area, the dashboard, the cloud-based interface of Take It. And during this review I'm going to give you a full demo of exactly how this works. Now in a nutshell, Take It is going to allow you to take anybody's website on the internet and then place your opt-in forms over the top of it, which is pretty cool. Now I know there's going to be a lot of people hyping this up, so I'm going to kind of tone it down. I'm going to tell you exactly what this does. Now, it doesn't actually allow you to kind of go to Forbes.com and then on the actual Forbes.com website, your squeeze page opt-in form will show up. That's not how it works. It's basically going to take a screenshot kind of thing of that actual Forbes website, which then will be hosted on a page which is hosted by these guys. You don't need a website or anything to do this, but you will still have to drive traffic to that page. Yes, your page will look identical to Forbes.com, for example, and your squeeze page thing will come up over the top, but it won't actually be, you know, the Forbes.com page, which gets millions of views, millions of visitors every day. So don't let the hype lead you astray. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say here. But anyway, it is a pretty cool thing, and I put together some cool bonuses which is going to allow you to drive free traffic to these pages. And the good thing about this is that you don't need to have any design skills or anything. You don't need to make your own websites. You don't need to make, you know, flashy, nice looking websites, because you're going to be able to use other people's pages to do this. This is completely compliant as well. There's a disclaimer at the bottom of the pages. In fact, let me just go and show you what one of these pages is going to look like. This is somebody else's demo that they've made, but if I paste this in, this comes from the Take It app. You see, it's come from HuffPost. Now obviously this isn't the actual HuffPost page, because HuffPost page would be under huffpost.com, right? Well, this isn't. This is apptakeit.com, and then it's got this page here. Now what's going to happen, you can see there's a disclaimer down here as well that says, we do not own this site being presented or have any association or affiliation whatsoever. Please enjoy the article and support the author at their own official website. Okay, so there is a disclaimer here, so it's completely legit, right? But what happens when you try to scroll down, boom, this squeeze page comes up here where people can enter in their email address and they can download or they can subscribe to your email list. So this is basically how it works, and I'm going to show you how to set this up inside this demo. But if it sounds like something that you would be interested in, stick with me, because I'm going to go into more detail on this. Like I said, I've also put together a ton of bonuses that are really going to help you out with this, which I know that are going to be essential if you want to use this, because there's no traffic training that comes with this product, right? It's going to assume that you know how to drive traffic in the first place, and I know a lot of you don't know how to do that, so that's why I put these bonuses together. Anyway, if you want to check out my bonus page, simply click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It'll bring you through to this page right here. This is my bonus page, and if you come through from my email, you'll already be on here. Now, all you need to do to purchase Take It once you're on this page is simply scroll down, click on any of these red buttons as of 11 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 18th of February. That's when these buttons will be live, and that will take you through to the sales page, which is going to look like this, where you'll be able to go ahead and purchase Take It. But you'll need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page here hits 0, because when it does, all of my bonuses will expire. Okay, and that's something obviously I don't want you to miss out on, because I put together a ton of traffic related bonuses that I know are going to help you out with this method. Okay, now feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering in terms of bonuses for Take It, because remember, you can always return to this bonus page right here once you realize that my bonuses are a lot more helpful and way more useful than what any other people are going to be offering to you for this. Okay, because I've really thought about this. I've thought about ways that I can help you out with this. So my first bonus here, I'm going to give you access to my CPA hacks. Now stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you a way that you can make money with CPA using Take It. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But there's going to be many more details inside of this first bonus, which is going to show you alternative ways that you can make money with CPA using Take It. Now if you don't know what CPA means, it stands for cost per action. Basically, they have these networks out there which are called CPA networks, and they will pay you for your traffic to do a number of different actions, including submitting their email address, submitting their zip code, or submitting their phone number, or downloading a mobile app. They will pay you for all of that, which means that this traffic doesn't need to get out their credit card. They don't need to buy anything in order for you to receive, you know, a traditional commission. So this is going to be a great way that you can make money from Take It, and that is all inside of bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, this is where the traffic comes in, and you'll see when I go through the demo in a minute how vital this is going to be, because this is going to get you 100% free targeted traffic from Instagram, and this is going to be a great way for you to make some money from Take It. And I'm going to go into more detail inside of my mini tutorial inside this video, and I'll show you how to use this. But basically what it does, okay, and I want you to remember this for the tutorial in a bit, what it does is it's a robot that works together with Instagram, and it will go and follow the followers of a public figure in your niche or one of your competitors. So during this demo that we're going to do in a minute, we're going to be using an offer from this CPA network here, which is called CPA Build, which is to get, it's a giveaway offer, and it's to get a free iPhone X. So what you would do with this bonus is you would go and target people that are following iPhone, people that are following gadgets, people that are following, you know, all of these big techie Instagram profiles which have millions of followers. You would set this to go and follow the followers of that tech store, right, which they probably have millions of followers, and that all those followers are interested in tech. They would all obviously want to win an iPhone 11 Pro, right? So you set this to go and follow them. Now what's going to happen is when those followers get a notification from Instagram, from your Instagram account that you've added into this, and you could name your Instagram account something like iPhone 11 Pro giveaway. Okay, they're going to get a notification from Instagram to say iPhone 11 Pro giveaway has just started following you. They're going to think, okay, well, I'm interested in tech because I'm following this tech Instagram account, or I'm following Apple. I really want to know more about this. They're going to click on your bio, and then the link to your bio will go to your Take It page, where people will be able to win this iPhone 11 Pro. So you'll get a lot of people going through to your offer to win this Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and then they will ultimately go through to this CPA offer where you will make some money from it. So I'm going to explain this in a bit, but basically this is a tutorial, okay? This bonus is a tutorial. It's 45 minutes long. It's going to show you everything that you need to do to set up the software, set up the targeting, and it's even going to show you where you can buy Instagram accounts for less than $2 each. You load this up with, say, 10 Instagram accounts. Each Instagram account is following the followers of Apple, okay, and it's following between 300 to 500 of their followers per day. I found from testing this that 10% of those people will actually follow you back and will actually click on your links. So if you load this up, like say with one account, that's going to be 30 to 50 people that actually click on your link. If you load it up with 10 accounts, that's 300 to 500 people that click on your link every single day, and it's completely free traffic as well. It takes a little bit of time to set up, but it's 100% worth it. Anyway, this tutorial is going to show you way more about this and how to do everything. So that's bonus number 2. Right, bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to Stealth and also the advanced training from Stealth. Now, Stealth effectively is going to show you how you can use Gmail ads, okay? Now, these are ads that are going to show up in people's Gmail inboxes, okay? Random people's Gmail inboxes. And obviously this all works through Google AdWords, okay, which is Google's advertising platform. Now Google obviously owns Gmail, so you can advertise inside of people's inboxes. This is very powerful stuff. It means that you can do email marketing without having to have an email list. The advanced training is going to show you everything that you need to do, all of the hacks and the tweaks that I'm doing with this method as well. So this is bonus number 3, and this is going to help you out and get some really good traffic to your Take It pages as well. Bonus number 4, I'm going to show you another secret traffic source which is going to double your opt-ins and double your money, okay? This is not Google AdWords. This is paid traffic, but it's a secret paid traffic source that I'm using in my business at the moment. I'm going to reveal that to you as well. And then bonus number 5, I'm going to give you any bonuses the vendor is giving away, and you probably see a lot of other affiliates using these vendor bonuses. Don't worry, I'm going to give you access to all of those vendor bonuses as well. Okay, now to claim all of those bonuses 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, all you need to do first of all is get yourself to my bonus page, either via the link down below in the description if you're watching on YouTube, or via my email. Then scroll down on my bonus page, click on any of these red buttons as of 11 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 18th of February to go through to the sales page and go and purchase Take It. Now as soon as you've done that, you'd simply need to go through to your Warrior Plus account. Okay, now inside your Warrior Plus account, you're going to see your username in the top right hand side. Hover over there, click on Purchase History, click on Take It. That's going to take you through to a receipt page for Take It. That is going to look something like this, where you'll find a blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. When you click on that blue button, you're going to get instant free access to every single one of these bonuses that I just talked to you about just now. Okay, so if you do click on any of these red buttons, you're going to come through to this sales page, and it says here, Breakthrough software clones any page in seconds and instantly monetizes in one click with built-in money pages. No product, no list, no paid traffic. If you can copy and paste, you got this. So check out the sales video here. 100% beginner friendly, 0 skills needed, 30-day money back guarantee. This is a product by Brendan, who used to be my business partner. We've recently gone our separate ways, and we're both flying solo, but I'm still totally supporting his products because he's a great guy and we're still best mates. So this is a product by Brendan, and it's a good product, but you do need to understand that you're not going to be able to literally hijack Forbes.com or CNN.com. That's not how it works. You still need to drive traffic to these pages. It is going to clone those pages for you, and I'll show you this in just a second, but you do need to understand that you're not going to be able to put your squeeze pages over the top of the real Forbes.com or the real CNN or any of these big websites. Okay, so but having said that, it is still a great method, and it's going to allow you to make some good money online. It's going to allow you to collect email addresses so you can build your list without having to spend any time at all building a flashy website, because you're just effectively going to be using somebody else's website, right? So this is the members area right here, and it's pretty simple to actually use. You just simply click on create new campaign. Okay, you're going to name your campaign, so I'm just going to call this Jono Demo. Okay, now unfortunately, because this is a demo version, I'm not allowed to insert a particular page. Okay, but this is going to be the place where you would paste in the page that you want to clone. So for example, CNN.com or Forbes.com or whatever. Now for this example, I'm going to start my little hack tutorial here. We're going to go and search on Google for win an iPhone 11 Pro. So I did that before, right? You can see this is my search here, and I just chose the first result. And this is a page that is all about a giveaway for an iPhone 11 Pro worth $999, right? So what you can do here is you can just simply grab this URL here, okay, and then you'd go into Take It and you would paste it in here. This is where you would paste it, and you will be able to paste it in your version of Take It. I can't paste it in here because I'm using the demo version. They're only allowing me to use this URL here, but this is where you would paste it. Now, next thing you need to do is go and choose your template. So they have a ton of different templates you can use, and these are all for the opt-in forms, okay? So you'll be able to collect email addresses, which is another cool thing. So I'm just going to go with this one, subscribe form, but you can choose any one of these, and you simply click on preview if you want to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the basic one's going to look like. So we would need to go and find a different opt-in form that's going to look right over the top of this page. So maybe white and red or grey or something like that. So let's go and see if there's any other templates we could use. So let's try this one. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, this just comes up at the top. The awesome one, let's have a look and see what this one looks like. Okay, this one might work, but we would obviously have to change that image. So for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to go with this subscribe form. So let me just, I'm just going to go with this one, but obviously you would need to spend a bit of time matching it to the page that you are going to be using. So then you need to create the headings and stuff, because at the moment it says just join our mailing list, and then it's got this right in here. So we could change all of that. So what I would put in here is enter your email address to win this awesome iPhone 11 Pro. Now you could change the color, you can change the font. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and okay, you can change the color and all of that stuff, but I'm not going to here. And then the button text, you put click to submit something like that, you know, whatever you want. And then the main description here, I'm just going to put some gobbledygook in here for the moment, but you would obviously want to spend some time with your description saying, okay, if you enter in your email address below, you'll have the option to win an iPhone 11 Pro. Results are going to be posted out in a week's time or something like that. Now, redirect URL. This is where we're going to put the offer. So we're going to go to a CPA network like CPA Build, and we're going to go and find an offer for iPhone 11 or some kind of similar offer, right? But just before we do that, I just want to let you know how this works. People doing something similar to what we're doing right here, they're all earning good money from this. I mean, you can see this guy earned $341.26 so far today. This guy only earned $3, so there's a bit of a mix going on. This guy earned $8 today. This guy has earned $5 today. This guy has earned $31 today. But you can see people post their earnings reports on here, so you can see what they're doing. And also, you know, you can ask these guys questions. They're all very friendly guys, and you can ask them, you know, how they're doing this. You can ask them for tips and tricks. So anyway, what we need to do here is go through to offers over here. We're going to go to all offers, and we're going to sort these offers by payout. So we want something that's relatively a high payout. Now you're going to see that a lot of these offers here are for countries which don't speak English. So most of the highest paying ones are for countries that don't speak English, which is good, I guess, if you're from a country like Luxembourg or Switzerland, and you can write this in you know, Swiss German or French or whatever, or you can write this in a different language, Swedish, you know. So they do have some ones on here, like, let's just find one. Here we go. Win iPhone 11 Pro. Now obviously this one is for Luxembourg, but there's also another one for for Norway here, and there's also other ones down here if you keep scrolling down, where you'll be able to find another one for iPhone 11 Pro. But for this example, let's just go with this one right here. So what we would need to do here is every time somebody submits their email and their zip code, these guys are going to pay you, this network is going to pay you $2.80. Now it might not sound like a lot of money, but bear in mind these people don't actually have to buy anything in order for you to get paid, so it converts very, very well. And this $2.80 soon racks up to, you know, $200, $300, like you've seen these other people doing in the chat function in the dashboard before. So what we need to do here is just simply click on get link. Okay, we're just going to copy that link. We're going to go back into Take It, and we're just going to paste that link in there. Now what's going to happen is after these people enter in their name and their email address, it's going to automatically redirect them to this URL. Okay, so they're going to go through to a page where they can go and win this iPhone 11 Pro. And these are real giveaways in here. These people will actually enter these people into a draw. All you're doing is just bringing them to that page, and you're doing it by this opt-in page popping up over the top of a page that looks like this. Okay, which is already done for you. You know, you don't need to write anything. You don't need to create anything. You don't need to make a website or anything like that. You're just going to be borrowing this person's page here using Take It, right? So once we've done that, you can go and choose how you want this to go through to how you want to collect these email addresses. So you can go and choose from any one of these self-hosted autoresponders. I'm using GetResponse, so I just enter in my API key here and go and choose my campaign name. If you don't have an autoresponder, it doesn't matter. You can save this locally, and what it will do, it'll save all of the subscribers into your dashboard of Take It, which you can then go and download later on and then upload them wherever you want. And then you got the pop settings, so you can enable the pop settings. You can have the pop-up. You can have it come up when somebody scrolls, like I showed you in that example before. You can have it come up after a certain amount of seconds. So if you choose delay pop-up, you can go and choose the amount of seconds you want this to come up. So it's going to pop up after 7 seconds, for example. I'm just going to choose on scroll. And then you can have this countdown timer. If you want to have a countdown timer, you go and choose when you want this offer to expire, right? But I'm just going to disable that for the moment. Now, obviously, I can't put in this iPhone page into Take It because I'm using the demo version, but you will be able to do that. But if I just save and publish this, right? Okay, awesome campaign has been added. Click to preview your campaign. So This is actually showing up over the top of this Etsy page at the moment, but bear in mind this is actually going to be the page that you put into this. So for example, it's going to be this iPhone page. So just imagine that this page is going to look like this iPhone giveaway page. What's going to happen? Okay, we try to scroll down, boom, we're hit with this, we enter in our email address, we click on submit, and it's going to, okay, click to submit. It's going to redirect us later to that CPA offer. You can see it's already doing it now. But obviously I'm not in Luxembourg, so this doesn't actually support my, but it's taken me to another page where we can also make some money from this. And it's in Indonesian, obviously, because I'm in Indonesia. It says menangkan iPhone 8, which means win an iPhone 8. And then I would just need to go and answer these questions right here. And you know, if that was you on the other end with these CPA offers, you're going to see that money coming into your account up here. So this is a really cool way to make money from CPA offers, especially. You can go and download your opt-in subscribers from here. You can see we've got all of these subscribers here. We can download these records, then we can upload them into an autoresponder, or we can do whatever we want with these, right? So that's basically it. That's basically how it works. You can go and set up as many campaigns as you like, and definitely go ahead and go and use these CPA offers, because that's the way that I think you're going to be able to make the most money using Take It. Okay, it's not really going to work as well with affiliate offers. It's going to work really good with CPA offers, 100%. So just bear that in mind. Now, obviously in my bonuses, I go into more detail on setting up these CPA offers inside of here, bonus number 1, and also the traffic that you're going to get to send to these pages that we created. Let me just go to my campaigns. So that, like this one here that we created before, this is the URL that you would need to put in the bio of these Instagram accounts. Okay, this is the where you're going to be sending all this free traffic to. But this will become clear inside of my second bonus down here. So you're going to learn how you can send all this free traffic to that page, that when people scroll down, they're going to be able to go through to that iPhone X, right, or that iPhone 11 Pro. This is going to show you how to do it. So make sure that you don't miss out on these bonuses. And all these bonuses are yours, even if you just buy the front end of Take It, okay? Remember that. Now, as far as the prices are concerned, okay, in the upsells, everything that I just showed you inside of the front end is going to cost you $19.97, okay? That is going to get you everything that I just showed you before, and going to enable you to start using this system that I've just showed you with these CPA offers, using this traffic from Instagram. Excuse me. Now remember, for this excuse me, remember, for this $19.97, you're also going to get access to all of these bonuses that I just talked to you about as well, completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end. Okay, they're going to be yours. Upsell number 1 is the Max Edition. This is going to be $67. And this is going to be the software that includes done-for-you recurring campaigns. Okay, so you're probably going to see down here, you have this one that's called the Max Commission Funnel. I can't access this because I don't have that upgrade, but this is going to give you access to a number of done-for-you campaigns that have been pre-made for you using Take It, that you just need to go and take it and go and use. Upsell number 2 is the done-for-you high-ticket commissions. It's going to be $197. There is actually a downsell to this at $147. So if you want to pick this up, go for the downsell price, okay? How do you get the downsell price? Well, once you go to this upsell, you just simply scroll right down to the bottom of that page, and there's going to be a blue bit of text that says, no thanks, I don't want to make big money from high ticket or whatever. Click on that link. It's going to give you the exact same offer for $50 off, so you'll be able to get it for $147. Don't tell anybody that I told you that. Now, this is just basically going to be Brendan's webinar, auto webinar, which will connect to your Take It pages, and it will allow you to make a commission of around $400 or $500, maybe even more, from one single sale. So it's all completely done for you. Brendan's doing all the selling for you on this webinar as well. So I really think that's going to help you out. But yeah, it's pretty pricey. It's pricey for a reason, because the money that you'll be able to make from this is also big money, right? Upsell number 3 is Take It Effects. It's going to be $97, and for this you get 40 effects to massively increase conversions on your campaigns. So those, I can't really see them in here. I don't really know what they do. I don't know enough information about them, but I guess they're going to be different templates, different squeeze page templates. They're going to be presented in a different way that's going to grab people's attention, something like that. Anyway, that's going to be $97. Upsell number 4 is going to be unlimited traffic. This is where Brendan's allowing you to put your AdWords pixels on his sales pages, so you get to gather all of the data from every single customer that hits his sales page, and that's pretty powerful stuff. So that's why that is so expensive. Now, you know, when me and Brendan were working together, we got a ton of success stories from people that bought this upsell. And then finally, upsell number 5 is the Take It license rights. This is going to be $97, and this is going to allow you to basically sell Take It as if it is your own products, and you get to keep 100% from all of these different price points here. All you would need to do is send your traffic to this very sales page here. When your traffic buys the front end or any of the upsells, you get to keep 100% of the money. So $97 for license rights is actually a pretty good deal. Usually we sell them for like $197 or $167. So this has got a big discount included if you are interested in doing it. And now there's more information in the demo video on my bonus page, which you can check out. If you watch on YouTube, just click on the link down below in the description. Come through to my bonus page here and scroll down, and you can go and watch the demo video right there if you want any more information about this. But I'm pretty sure that I've given you a clear idea of what this does. And also don't forget to check out my bonuses as well, because like I said, Take It doesn't come with any kind of traffic trading, but you are absolutely going to need traffic in order to make this work. So that's why I've included so many traffic related bonuses, as I know they're going to help you out. So make sure that you pick this up via my link to get all of those traffic bonuses. That is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this Take It review, and I'll speak to you very shortly. Take care, bye.